In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of canceling an order on Etsy. Whether you've changed your mind, made a mistake with your purchase, or have any other reason for reconsidering, canceling an order on Etsy is a straightforward process. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident in managing your purchases with ease. So let's dive in and take the first step together. Start by opening your preferred web browser and pay a visit to Etsy's website. If you don't have Etsy bookmarked, simply type in etsy.com into the address bar and press enter. This will bring you to their welcoming homepage where you can see an array of amazing handmade, vintage, and unique products. But remember, our focus today is all about managing your orders. Once you're on Etsy's main page, make sure you're logged into your account to access your profile. Look for the profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear before you. From this menu, select the option labeled Purchases and Reviews. This section is your hub for keeping track of all the orders you've placed on Etsy, along with any feedback you've provided. Now that we're inside your Purchases and Reviews section, you'll see a list of all the products you've ordered. Have a look through this list and locate the specific order you wish to cancel. Once you've identified the item, look for the Help with Order option, typically positioned close by. By clicking this, you're setting the stage for initiating the cancellation process. At this point, Etsy will guide you to message the seller directly. This step is crucial as sellers on Etsy manage their stock and orders independently. In your message to the seller, it's important to mention your desire to cancel the order. Be polite and clear with your request, and if you have any specific reasons for the cancellation, feel free to include that information. Remember, sellers are people too, and a friendly tone can go a long way in smoothing out the process. After sending your message, the rest is up to the seller to respond and confirm the cancellation. It's a good idea to keep an eye on any notifications or follow-up responses in your Etsy account or your email linked to Etsy so you don't miss any important updates from the seller. And there you have it, your request to cancel your order is completed. With these steps, you now understand how to navigate order cancellations on Etsy, adding another skill to your online shopping toolkit. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on your next visit to Etsy.